Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts suggestions on your phone, right? It's very easy to do it. First of all, you have to just go to your YouTube mobile application here. Once you are here, you have to just find out wherever your shorts suggest, right? For example, this is my shorts section. So if I want to remove, you can see in every video on the top right, you will see the three dots, right? So if I just click on the three dots, here I can just select not interested, right? Same way you have to do every time. For example, if I just click on here, not interested, and you have to just keep doing, right? So this will give a message to YouTube algorithm that you don't like shorts and they will not suggest you shorts in your feed, right? And sometimes in the new version of new version of YouTube, here on the short section you will find this X mark where you can close all these shorts, right, at once. So if you have that feature, then it's great, but if you don't, then you can just try this and it's really work. You can see that now I don't get any suggestion of any shorts, even though if I just keep scrolling down. So this is how you can just disable YouTube Shorts feature here. By the way, there is another feature which is called Shorts here, but you can't disable this section, right? You can only disable in your feed section. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.